Order takers versus difference makers. Interesting, right? So we're auto repair. Customer comes in, and I'm going to use a analogy that's easy for you too, Bryce. They're not happy with the stability of their ride. Right? We look the car over, and we find out, let's say it needs a new set of sway bars, links or something, okay? And we go ahead and sell them that repair, okay? That's really not something to be beating our chest about or to get really excited about, okay? It's equivalent to, we go to a restaurant and we sit down and we order dinner. The waitress has done nothing spectacular. Here I am, I'm hungry, I show up at a restaurant and I eat, whoop-de-doo. Now, however, but if I get sold appetizers, a couple cocktails, or maybe a drink or dessert, now what they've done is they've taken this chicken dinner and they've made it into apple pie, chicken dinner. Maybe I bought me a milkshake. They sold me a milkshake I didn't know I wanted to get. I also got these really cool jalapeno wraps before I even got my chicken dinner. And then, so I got dessert, I got pie, and then at the end of the night, I had me a little, rum and Coke, right, with my thing. And I'm not driving, by the way. And there you go. Now, that's what the server's job is to do, not just sell me the chicken dinner. Order taker versus difference maker. This customer comes in, their brakes are grinding. They come in, their brakes are grinding, and they go, "Hey, Brian, take a look at my car. My brakes are grinding." And you sell them a brake job, big deal. That's an order taker. We're a shop. They got a car. It's broke. We fix cars. The difference makers are the when you sold the customer something that they didn't know they needed. They need it. They didn't know about it. That's the difference maker. "Oh, what do you mean my spark plugs are due every 30,000 miles because it's a Dodge? I had no idea. Go ahead and do it." Okay? Or, "What do you mean my coolant's overdue to be serviced? Please do it." And so that's where it comes in, is that's what that is. Y'all can fill that in your own words. Order taker versus difference maker. Everybody's on this meeting today because we all want to be difference makers, right? Anybody can serve the chicken dinner, but to get the dessert, the appetizer, and the drinks, you got to have some skills, right? You got to have some skills. And so that's that other definition right there.